We're in Disney World. Okay.
Yeah, both cameras going.
We got both.
Here. Look, Rory. We're going into the sign.
Yeah.
There's Minnie and Mickey.
Hey, welcome home. Right, we are about to go check in, even though check-in's till 3. And I will talk to you guys in a second once we get all situated. Alright, we'll be right back. So pretty. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan and today is day 1 of our Disney vacation. I have taken this shot like 3 times. We are already hot and tired. It's 9 in the morning, maybe 10 now. Is there a bit of shade back here? No, there's no shade. So we can't check into a hotel room until they text us. So we're gonna go explore the hotel. So you get to come along with us. So we parked all the way over here because we thought it was gonna be shady. And then as soon as we got out of the car, it is not shady.
Well, which way is the sun come?
So, hi guys. Welcome to our first official Disney vlog because we weren't vlogging the last time we were here.
My bangs are so
Your bangs are sticky. So let's start off with maybe, once we get our room, we'll do a resort tour. We'll do a resort tour later. Are you guys in front of me? Okay. Alright, so we are opting to go out to the park instead of hanging out at the hotel. Alright, Boo-Boo, what park did you pick?
What?
What park did you pick to go to? Do you remember? Which one? Where?
Only one way, that's the one I
No, that's not what you picked. You picked Animal Kingdom. You both said Animal Kingdom.
know.
You both picked Animal Kingdom.
I didn't know that was a ride.
It's not a ride. Come on. The boys got flagged when we went through security with the big backpack. Fanny pack for the win. And I got my knitting in.
I didn't understand what you were saying.
Hold on, do you want a picture in front of the Animal Kingdom sign? A fun fact, do you see the dragon up there? There was supposed to be a Mystic Beasts area, part of Animal Kingdom. That is where they ended up putting Pandora. That's why we have the dinosaurs, the elephant, and then there's a dragon all the way over there. I forgot to film us scanning our fingers. I'm already off to a bad start.
Oh,
Ducks! Alright, so we just rode Dinosaur. I think we're gonna ride it again. That's Aurora's favorite ride. We're in a corner. Lots of people.
Hello, I am Ryden.
We know who you are, Ryden. We just ate, I don't know, this is very copyright music. Alright, we finally found a spot that doesn't have too much music to talk to you guys. So what did we do? We ate at Restaurant Saurus, which we always eat at, which a lot of people don't like.
we went on the dinosaur.
We went on the dinosaur ride, and now we've
Which
been.
Aurora loved.
Yeah, we're gonna do it again.
Okay,
What cavalcade is going
What
by?
are we doing first, though?
Navi River Journey, but somebody's cavalcade is on the river.
Okay. Oh, the river cavalcade is coming?
Yeah, somebody's going by.
Come out on this,
Oh yeah, there's a photo. Who's trying to see where they are? Oh, there's a photo pass person over here. You want to watch? See this? Oh my goodness. Oh. Woo! Tripped on him.
Have a wonderful day, y'all!
We're gonna go on Navi River, but that was really fun. Somebody actually knew Jackalope Jane, one of the photo pass photographers. That was really cool. I know, you get got good on your face still. Squeezing in, going to the park was not on our original. We're building 34. We're heading over to our hotel room now. We are in Alligator Bayou. Which way? This way? No, service vehicle only. Nope, 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 nope. That's for the buses. Bad daddy. Oh, 34 is all the way down.
Look at this little sign.
So Alligator, we're going straight. Because 34, all the...
Bayou, 14 to 18.
We're 34. We're going to 34. So it's very similar to like Caribbean Beach. It's a huge resort, honestly. Okay. Oh, there's something. Okay. It's 34. So this is 34. We're on the first floor. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. 3415. Let's see. Here's a sign. Where are we going? 34. Oh, we're all the way over there. Okay. So this is gonna take a little bit of a trip. 34, let's see. 3411. Let's see, where are we? Oh, so we're right there. Okay. So cute. It's so cute, but I gotta walk all the way over here. Oh, but it look cute. It's a corner room. Corner room with double windows. Room occupied. Okay, so we are. This would be us. Should be this one. I wanted to get in here before everybody. Oh my god. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. Okay. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Where are the lights? Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's so cute. Okay, we gotta find some lights. Are you a light? There we go. Oh my gosh. What's on the curtain? Oh, it's Ray. You're from Shreveport. And it's got a tub. Okay. Okay, there we go. We got some light. We have a fifth sleeper because my mom was supposed to come. Oh my god. I can't even handle all these little details. Okay, so let's just... It's been forever. Oh my god. I'm so excited. So, obviously when you come in, sorry, you've got your little table here. 2 queen beds. This is storage. There's also storage under the beds for suitcases, right? This is a trundle bed. Right? This is the fifth sleeper. Okay? We've got a whole bed. Oh my god, I can't get over the Port Orleans. There, you get my last name for once. Oh, this is... How do we get this back up easily? We push back up. Okay, it just goes back up. And it looks like a shipping crate. Oh my god. Those are good rooms. Oh my gosh. I love the little lily pad look. So this is gonna be the fridge and a key. It's our fridge. There's more storage right here. Little coffee with the Joffreys. Little space up here. And this is like the little bathroom area. Ample space, extra pillow blanket, a safe, lots and lots of room. Ooh, and a little, you know, you guys, if you know, you know, you know. All right, I gotta go get everything in now that I showed you guys this room. It's so freaking cute. All right, come here, go ahead, show your reaction. Oh, come on.
It's so chewy.
It's so nice and cool.
Ooh,
look at Britt and Rivera party.
Shoes off.
Yeah. Aren't you excited? And this is the fifth sleeper. So this comes down real nice. I was playing. Ryden already called it.
Aww.
But wait. Oh, he went into the bathroom?
No, Ryden gets his own bed. Aww.
Aw, you're from Shreveport?
Oh, you're from Shreveport?
Okay.
Missy.
All right, let's go get our stuff. We'll leave them right there.
From Shreveport.
So it's a little bit of a trek, love.
What?
It's so nice. There's so much room in here. My mom could have. 5 sleepers, totally good.
Yeah.
This has got so much space. Oh my god, it's like slime. Let's go. Let's go, slime boy.
I'm not.
What did you find?
Guys, guess what? I found my favorite fear.
What?
Submerged stuff.
No, come on, we're walking this way.
Right there.
Come on, we're seeing what this is. How close this is and what this one looks like. There's another pool over here.
What?
There might.
Ooh, a private pool?
It's not private, it's just another pool. Let's see. It's just not that big pool in the center, which is super cool.
Wait, is it the one that makes you stand?
No. Let's see what's over here. This one's super. Okay, so here's a pool. That wasn't too far. Let's see. Come on.
Is this a secret pool?
It's kind of a secret pool, I guess. How do we get over here? This way? Oh. Let's see. Oh yeah, here's the way to get in. All the way over here. Yeah, there's just some like, this is much smaller. Yeah. So it's not the crazy one in the center. What time is this open till? So hold on. So that wasn't too far.
Yeah.
Let's do a walking tour. Okay, we're looking for. Let's see. This way. Come here. Yeah, there's so many little ponds. It's so pretty.
I hope that frog jumps out of one. Like, whoop. You know what I mean? Like
Yeah. That'd be really fun. Oh, there's people. Ryden and I are just loving the vibe.
I'm loving the pipes and the
I love this like faux wood concrete. Alright, we're gonna keep walking. And we'll time it on the way back with my phone. Okay. This way? This way. Here's another sign. Let's see how fast. We are in the liminal spaces, yes, of course. Why is your leg twisted? Oh, there's people. This isn't really bad at all. Come on. This really isn't that far.
I like the other pool.
The little one?
Yeah.
Let's see.
But we should go to the bigger one.
That's why we're trying to figure out how far away it is.
Probably about 2 hours.
But I think it's right over this bridge. I think we're going over this bridge. Over the bridge. Okay. Yeah, here's a hammock. I hear music. This looks like an island, and we're going to Old Man's Island.
Oh,
Yeah, we're not. That's not safe. That kid just is not safe at all. This isn't far at all. All right, so we're going back out. We were not planning on making this a park day, but we want to go back out to just make the most bang for our buck, I guess. Most mouse for our magic. Babe?
Yeah.
It took us about 6 minutes to walk from here, from the lobby. From our room to the lobby. And I walk fairly fast, but that was dilly-dallying with Ryden also. So I just wanted to show you where everything was.
Okay.
Second outfit of the day. You've changed your shirt. You now have a Old Navy top. I'm still wearing my Target dress, which I haven't even showed you, but now I have my ears on. Aurora is wearing an all Target outfit also. And Ryden is wearing, I think it's an Arizona black t-shirt and some new, I don't know where my mom picked this up, Kohl's, JCPenney. I don't know, shorts my mom picked up for Ryden. many times we've seen the castle, I'm going to cry. It's going to be, I'm gonna cry. Are you guys ready to see me cry again? Oh, we're dark. So I know we were already at Animal Kingdom, but it doesn't feel like a Disney vacation until we're here. Get off the pole. Ryden's hugging the pole. Come on, honey. Ryden, come on. Watch the curb. So we're gonna take a moment and we're gonna go around the corner. Hold on. Hold on. Yeah, we're gonna go on a ride, but we're first gonna look at the castle. Yeah, we're not. Come here, Roy. Is it starting to rain? Wasn't supposed to. You ready, Rory? Are you ready to look at the castle for the first time? For the trip?
Yes.
You ready?
I want a balloon.
You want a balloon? We're gonna get a balloon where we wear the pink dress. Are you ready? It's raining. There it is.
Let's go around. Ba-ding, ding, ba-ding, ding.
We didn't even show it. We just went over and straight devoured the cheeseburger spring rolls.
That was the first thing we did.
They changed it. It's all in the sauce now and not inside.
I'm pretty sure it was like that before.
I don't think so.
I'm pretty sure.
Now we're gonna go do Pirates. All right, so we did Pirates. What did you guys think of Pirates? Where'd you go? Woo, I'm blowing up and I don't have shorts on.
Exciting.
Wait, Ryan, where'd you go? We got bumped a bunch.
What was your favorite part?
What was your favorite part? Who was your favorite pirate?
I'm trying to think.
Is it Dirty Foot?
I liked Dirty Foot.
Dirty Foot's the best pirate.
And
He was sitting on the bridge with his foot hanging over.
All right, please don't climb.
Because if you look at his foot, it's
all dirty.
I love the guy sitting with the pigs, drinking rum.
Yeah, my mom loves him too.
He's from Georgia because of the pigs.
So actually seeing Tiana's stuff with like all of that.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Well, I realized as soon as we got back to the hotel room last night, our first day, our bonus day, I didn't film a closer. I went right to bed. I had not drinking enough water. And so we didn't close it out. But it was, where's Raya? Raya's over there already. Ryan's on the 5th sleeper. It was an absolutely amazing day. I had a fantastic time and I will not let that happen, but yesterday, I will not let closing out the vlog happen again. So I'm just gonna say thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it and I hope you enjoy this entire vlog series that we're doing, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.